Everybody around you hates you. You're horrible. Your special spot in hell awaits you. You're horrible. And all you ever do is help them. And I guess you're just a nuisance. We'll catch you, you're a fallen mess.
Try so hard, but you're the worst. You're too far gone, you can't convert. Hey,